So gusto mong matutong magtrabaho sa bahay or nag-iisip ka ng side hustles na pwede mong pagkakitaan habang meron kang corporate work. Pero kagaya kayo ni Jackie na sobrang nade-drain na daw siya sa current work niya tapos hindi na siya makapag-focus and she actually joined our top VIP. If this is you, listen to this and listen well because where there is lack of organization, where there is lack of implementation ng iyong game plan, kahit anong goal setting ang gawin ninyo, hindi kayo makaka-move on from point A to point B. Let's talk about task management. Here and everyday nagpo-post ako ng bagong video sa pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ng computer at internet. And this is our task number 2 for this year's Hindi Na Mi Poor this 2024 series. This is actually task number 3 or 4 yata dun sa last year's Freelancer Na Mi this 2023 challenge. And one thing that I want to make sure nung ginagawa ko yung pinakang guide for this year's series na susundan ninyo step by step without any steps skipped is to make sure na ina-align ko muna kayo sa number 1, ano nga ba dapat ang mentality mo if you want to be able to build your freelancing dream or yung financial freedom dream na kahit nasa bahay ka lang. And number 2, I want to also make sure na yung steps natin, sinusundan natin siya because meron tayong goals. So from point A to point B, ano yung kailangan natin gawin? Kaya ang sabi ko, task management is very important. After ninyo guys mag-set ng goals, on the side na pag-aralan nyo rin si Google Workspace, ang next task nyo na is pag-aralan yung task management app because no matter how many times you revamp your calendar and your schedule, marami ka pa ring malilimutang bagay. And the only way for you to keep track ng mga tasks na kailangan mong gawin for the day, for the week, for the month, and for the year is to manage your tasks. So, meron tayong 4 na apps na pag-uusapan. And again, guys, ito, shortened video to. So, short form video pa. Lagay, magta 10 minutes tayo dito. Pero short form video pa siya, ha? And bibilisan ko na lang magsalita. So, binagalan ko lang yung intro para mas madali tayong magkaintindihan. But, meron tayong 4 na pag-uusapan na apps na ginagamit ko for task management. Number 1 is Asana. Number 2 is Tascati. Number 3 is Google Task. And number 4 is Notion. Alin nga ba doon yung pinakang paborito ko? Actually, right now, I am still trying to learn Notion. But so far, si Notion is yung pinakang simple, pinakang madali, pinakang aesthetic. Si Asana naman, maganda yung nakagisnan ko sa kanya because it has always been my go-to task management app. Pero hindi ko na nakita yung improvement from the time that I started using it back in 2014. Si Google Task naman, marami pa siyang kulang. I think marami pang pwedeng i-improve si Google. Ang pinakang paborito ko sa lahat is si Tascati kasi as a business owner and as a freelancer, andun ang lahat ng kailangan ko. But let me show you real quick paano kayo magsisimula at saan. Kasi as someone who's not familiar with task management app, I feel that si Asana ang pinakang beginner friendly and that's what I'm going to show you. But if you guys wanna see yung tutorials ko sa other platforms na nabanggit ko, pwede kayo pumunta sa YouTube, naka-upload na doon yung task number 2 natin for this series. And huwag nyo na makalimutan mag-subscribe. Kung feeling nyo may magbe-benefit doon sa video na yon, i-share nyo yun sa kanila, itag nyo sila dito or itag nyo sila sa YouTube. But whichever suits you best, kung dun sa 4 na platform na pinakita ko, yun yung gamitin nyo. And guys, again, dito sa free natin na training na to, sa series na to, ang inihingi ko lang is for you to be consistent and for you to document your journey and tag me. Okay? So without further ado, this is how to sign up sa Asana. Step number 1, go to asana.com and click on Continue with Google. It'll then ask you kung anong Google account ang gusto mong gamitin. Pagkatapos, click on Continue. Lagay nyo lang yung name nyo and then click on Continue. For primary role, choose Freelancer. For the kind of work, choose Project or Project Management and then click on Continue. For main objective, just click on I'm not sure yet. To set up first project, just click on Continue. Basically, you will click on Continue 4 times. When you get to this page, click on Skip for now. So this is the dashboard ni Asana. Sa upper right corner, makikita nyo kung paano mag-create ng new workspace. Pero kung bago pa lang kayong gumagamit ng Asana, punta lang kayo sa left side. And then, i-click nyo lang yung plus sign na lalabas dito sa tabi ng projects. Magpa-pop up tong screen na 'to, make sure na dito nakalagay all types pagkatapos under cross, team planning, hanapin niyo na lang yung Asana Basics Training. Remember na kapag hindi lumalabas yung Asana Basic Training, i-click nyo lang yung Show More Templates para makita nyo siya. And then click on Use Template. Pag-click nyo dito, Create Project. Makikita nyo na dito sa side, Asana Basics Training. Pag click nyo tong isa-isa, may lalabas na dun sa side niya ng mga tasks na kailangan nyong gawin, and it will teach you how to use Asana absolutely free. So that's just one example ng mga task management app. And the beauty of it is that if may ma-master ka na isa, halimbawa, familiar ka na sa Asana, yung ibang task management app, naiiba lang yung interface niya, naiiba yung itsura, pero ganun-ganun din yung functionalities niya. And so what I would highly recommend is you start with Asana and then you try out all other apps that I recommended in there. Again, guys, naka-upload na sa YouTube ko yung full tutorial ng ating task number 2 for Hindi Na May Poor this 2024. Now, guys, if you find any challenges dito sa task na to, or kung meron kayong ma-encounter na roadblocks, or if you guys have any other questions about like working from home, earning from home, comment them here. And don't forget to follow for more work from home chismis. Bye! Ay! Nalilimutan ko na naman. Guys, don't forget, document your journey, tag me, and use our hashtag Hindi Na May Poor this 2024. Bye!